Good morning class. As on Saturday we have ended with the writing work in a course book of English literature, that is from chapter 1, Nani's Walk to the Park. Now today we are going to start with our course book. I am going to explain you the first chapter in our course book on page number 6, that is Nani's Walk to the Park. Today I am going to explain you the chapter. Now in Nani's Walk to the Park, it is a story about Nani and his grandson Winky. Winky wants to go. Nani goes each and every Sunday to the park. Winky wants to go with Nani to the park, and while Winky goes to the park with Nani, Nani makes Winky saw the lane of treasures, the lane of happiness, the lane of noise. Nani makes Winky saw the lanes of many of the lanes on the way to the park. Now let us begin with the explanation of story Nani's Walk to the Park from a book. So open to page number 6 in your course books. Now, as I have already told you that today we are going to start with the explanation of chapter 2, that is Nani's Walk to the Park. This chapter starts on page number 6. Now let us begin with the explanation of this chapter, Nani's Walk to the Park, from page number 6. Let us read this story to know how Winky's walk with Nani's turned into an adventure. This is a story about how Winky, that is the granddaughter of Nani, walks with her and Nani's turn all the things into an adventure. Once a week, Nani goes to the park. Once a week only. Only one time in a week, Nani goes to the park. Today, Winky wants to go with her. And today only, Winky wants to go with Nani to the park. I walk slowly, says Nani. Nani says, I will walk slowly and take my time getting there. And I take time to get into the park. I don't mind, said Winky. Winky said that doesn't matter to me how much time you take to walk. Nani picks up her shopping bag and starts to cross the road. Nani picks up a shopping bag. When Nani used to go to the park, Nani always used to pick the shopping bag and starts to cross the road. But Nani says, Winky, the park is that way. Nani says to Winky that the park is on that way. Well, go this way. Nani says that the park is on that way, but we will go on another way. Nani through the lane of treasure. Nani says that we will go through the lane of treasure. Lane of treasure means that it is a narrow road. It is a small type of road in the town of jewels. Means money and some precious stones, gems. The lane of treasure. What a wonderful name for the market. What a wonderful, Winky says, what a wonderful name it is. The shops here sells everything. Here the shop sells each and every thing. Each and every shopkeeper is having whatever you want. When Nani finishes shopping there, Winky points to a gate and asks, Winky just point out to the gate. Shall we take a shortcut, Nani? Winky says that, shall we take a shortcut to the park? We will be at the park in no time, and it will take no time for us to reach the park. Winky says to Nani. No, says Nani. We will go through the lane of beauty. Nani says, no. Now we will go through the lane of beauty. In the lane of beauty, the people stitch amazing godhis. Nani says that in the lane of beauty, people used to stitch amazing godhi. A godhi is a It is a traditional type of a hand-stitched, reusable cloth material of saris. It is a type of a sari, even you can think, where Nani says that we will go to the lane of beauty after the lane of treasure because we will get amazing godhis there. A lady gives Nani a godhi. A lady gives Nani a beautiful godhi in which Winky sees a piece of her favorite sari. In which Winky sees that a favorite sari and a bit of Ma's kurta and a bit of her mummy's kurta. Winky sees a piece of Nani's sari and a bit of Ma's kurta. What does this tell you about Winky? When Winky sees that godhi of Nani, he remembers her Nani's sari and a bit of Ma kurtas in that sari only. Shall we go to the park now? Asked Winky. Now, shall we leave for the park? Winky asked to Nani. Yes, says Nani. We will take the lane of happiness. Yes, Nani says yes, but we will go to the lane of happiness now. How many lanes they have gone now? Till now, lane of treasure, lane of beauty, and now they will go to lane of happiness. Come, come, Nani calls softly. Winky laughs as the dog and the cat tumble. Meaning of tumble, come, come, Nani calls softly. Nani says softly. Winky laughs as the dogs and cat have fallen suddenly out from everywhere. When Nani says, call softly, all of them come and they fall suddenly. Nani pours the milk, and after that, Nani pours the milk to each and every dog and cats she brought at the market, and they watch as the animals lick their bowls clean. They watched at the market and they watched it until and unless all the animals lick the milk from the and make the bowls clean. That means that wherever in the bowl the Nani has put the milk for cats and dogs to drink, they clean all that bowl and they lick all the milk and they clean all the bowl. Now we will read the story till here only today. After this we will going to continue the story tomorrow. Homework for you all is you have to read this story thoroughly. If you have any doubts regarding this story, you can ask me, and I have given you 10 hard words. You have to write those 10 hard words into your notebooks. Homework for you is to just read this story and write hard words in your notebooks. Thank you.